Hello, what's up guys? This is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our channel. So friends, in this video we'll discuss about the building plan of a residential building G+1 in the plot size of 30 feet into 48 feet. So as you can see that the plot size is not exactly rectangular, which happens in most practical cases. Now first of all we'll have a look at the setbacks that we have provided. At the rear side we have given a setback of 2 feet. And at the left and right also we have given a setback of 2 feet throughout, and at the front side also we have given a setback of 2 feet from here, 2 feet from here, and at this portion we have given a setback of 1 feet. So we have provided sufficient setback through all portions. As you know, for a normal human to pass through these portions of setback, we need 1 feet and 6 inches minimum. So 1 feet and 6 inches minimum space is required for an average human to pass. So if you keep this 2 feet setback, then we can easily do our scaffolding and formworks for our plastering, painting, etc. And also it will help in ventilation purpose and also fire safety purpose. So having said that, let us now discuss the components of our plan. In our plan we have an portico for parking, and then we have one drawing room. We have two numbers of bedroom, one with attached toilet and another common toilet. We have double L type of staircase here, and we have a kitchen at the ground floor. So let us now discuss. The portico is of the size of 13 feet 2 inches into 13 feet 7 inches. So we can easily park one four-wheeler of sedan type here, and then also two numbers of two-wheelers. We'll have a door of 3 feet width here at the entrance. Now this is our drawing room. As you can see, the privacy of this drawing room is very well maintained, as the person or any guests sitting in the drawing room will not have any idea what is happening inside, because there is a door here, and the persons living in this bedroom, in this dining room and also in the kitchen can do their activities freely. So by the purpose of privacy, this plan is well justified. So the persons in the drawing room can sit at this sofa, and also we can keep a TV here. This will be the door for the main house, and we can keep the dining portion here and the kitchen here. The size of the kitchen is 11 feet 11 inches and 6 feet, which is sufficient. We also have a window for ventilation purpose. Now moving on, this bedroom is of the size of 12 feet into 11 feet. We have a common toilet here of size 8 feet 7 inches into 4 feet 6 inches. Now moving on, this master bedroom. Now this master bedroom is in the southwest direction, which is the best position of master bedroom as per Vastu. We also have two windows here for ventilation purpose. Now this bedroom has a toilet attached. The size of this toilet is 8 feet 7 inches into 4 feet. So these were the components of our ground floor plan. Now let us go and have a look at our first floor plan. In first floor also we have a similar bedroom of size 12 feet into 14 feet. In ground floor, the size of the bedroom was the same. So we have this bedroom here. The toilets are also similar to that of ground floor. And this room also, this bedroom also is of the same size as the bedroom in the ground floor. We have a puja room here. Now the size of this puja room is same as the kitchen in the ground floor, which is 11 feet 11 inches into 6 feet. Now let us have a look at the direction of this puja room. So the puja room is in the northeast direction, which is the best position of puja room as per Vastu. We can have the living area here, and we'll have a total number of 3 bedrooms. In this bedroom, the size will be 11 feet 11 inches into 14 feet. We'll have an open terrace here. Now the size of this open terrace is 13 feet 2 inches into 8 feet 7 inches. Now in this open terrace one can sit freely and relax. Also, we can conduct house parties or any get-togethers in this open terrace. So friends, this was our plan. One advantage of this plan is that we have an open terrace in which we can do barbecue or any other house parties. And another disadvantage of this plan is that it has staircase inside our drawing room. As you can see in the ground floor, the staircase is kept inside. So if the owner of the house wants to give this house for rent purpose, he can't do that. So friends, please comment below the advantages and disadvantages of this plan which you had observed. So before that, we'll discuss the size of the doors, windows and ventilators we have provided. As you can see that we have two types of windows here, W and W1. 5 feet into 4 feet 6 inches, which means the width of the window is 5 feet. In this plan only the width is visible, so the width of this W is 5 feet. And the length is 4 feet 6 inch, which is not visible in this plan. W1 also has the same length, but the width of W1 is 4 feet. Let us have a look where we have provided W1. As you can see that we have not provided W1 here, but in the first floor also we have not provided W1. Now moving on, the size of the ventilator is 2 feet into 2 feet. So the ventilators we have provided here is of size 2 feet. Next, the doors we have provided is D and D1. The size of D is 3 feet into 7 feet and the size of D1 is 2 feet 6 inches into 7 feet. We have provided D here and D1 we have provided at the toilet doors. So the toilet doors size is 2 feet and 6 inches and the main door size and the other door size having the mark D is 3 feet and the height of the doors is 7 feet. So friends, we have discussed a plan in the plot size of 30 feet into 48 feet, which is not exactly rectangular. Bye.